Hi friends, I am Miss Ravener. I am so happy to meet you. Hope you are happy meeting me too. Today we will be practicing how to add things. After this, I am very sure you will not have issues with additions anymore. Hope you are excited about this. Let's get right in. Question 1. If you had 3 oranges and your mum came back from the market and bought you 2 oranges, how many oranges will you have? Why don't you grab your counting sticks and let's find out together? It is very simple. These are the 3 oranges you had, and then plus the 2 oranges your mum bought for you from the market. When you add all oranges together, you will have a total of 5 juicy oranges all for you. That is amazing. Great job, friend. Let's move over to the next question. Are you ready? Let's go. You currently have no candies, and 2 of your friends gifts you 2 candies each. How many candies will you have in total? That is simply 2 candies from your first friend plus 2 candies from your second friend, and you will have a total of 4 candies all to yourself. Isn't that amazing? Now, to the third question. If you have 4 apples and you buy 2 more, how many apples do you have? This is very simple. Just add the 4 apples you have to the 2 apples you bought and you will get a total of 6 apples. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Question 4. You have 5 toy cars and your friend gives you 4 more. How many do you have now? To get a total of the number of toys you now have, simply add the 5 toy cars to the 4 toy cars given to you by your friend, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Toy cars plus 1, 2, 3, 4 toy cars, and you will get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 toy cars. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Wow, let's get to question number 5. Your family has 2 dogs and you adopt 3 more puppies. How many pets do you have now? The answer to this is adding the 2 dogs previously owned by your family to the 3 adopted puppies. That is 1, 2 dogs plus 1, 2, 3 puppies, and you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pets in total. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Hope you properly understand that. Now, to the next question, which is question number 6. You read 2 books in a week, then your teacher gives you 2 more books to read. How many books have you read in total? That will be 1, 2 books plus 1, 2 books, making it 4 books. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Question 7. You cut out 2 slices of pizza, and your friend gives you 1 more. How many slices do you have now? That will be 2 slices of pizza plus 1 slice of pizza, making it 3 slices of pizza. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Question 8. You win 5 stickers in a game and then collect 5 more from another challenge. How many do you have in total? That will be 5 stickers plus another 5 stickers, making it a total of 10 stickers. Wow! Can we count together to confirm? Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5. Question 9. Mom buys 3 apples and Dad adds 3 pineapples to the basket. How many fruits are in the basket? That will be 1, 2, 3 apples plus 1, 2, 3 pineapples, which will be equal to 6 fruits in total. Question 10. There are 5 people in your house and your cousin comes to stay with you. How many people are in the house now? That will be 5 plus 1, which will be equal to 6. Great job, friend! Thank you so much for counting with me. See you next time, folks.